Hello everyone, we are back with Glenn Velvet Reviews today, and we're going to do a little bit of a review on cooking on the induction, because I did a review, I did something similar, but I don't know where the video went. But anyway, we're going to do a little test review cooking on here, nothing crazy. I am not a professional cook, anything. I microwave stuff, I could do very simple things, and that's it. Just to let you know. But anyway, we're just going to do a review of cooking the rice-a-roni Spanish rice. This is our favorite kind of Spanish rice that we got. The bag ones that you put in the microwave, the steam ones, not a fan. And the bag ones you put on the top, not a fan. This one is a little bit more involved than the other ones, but we think it comes out the best in this house, all right? But anyway, we're going to test this out over here. Now, we got to use some petite diced tomatoes is what we're going to be using in here. Let's go through this. First, we're gonna cook up some chicken in here as well. I did a bunch of reviews on that already, so it's not really a review of that. You can also see we got Dory in the back. I don't know if you could see her flying around, but she's eating algae back there, as what she does. But let's preheat this. We're gonna try out the Trader Joe's breaded chicken. Usually we get ShopRite, but ShopRite has been going down the hill lately, at least the one by me. I know there's one a couple of towns over that is awesome, but the one by me is just total crap. There's like, one day they have it, one day they don't. It's just, they changed the management there, and that's why. There used to be a guy there, I don't remember his name, he was an Asian guy. He was there, he was awesome. He was always on the floor, always kicking butt, like stocking stuff, telling everyone what to do. I mean, that's a manager, and the store was just amazing. Now, that store is a dump. But anyway, now there's Trader Joe, not now, there's a Trader Joe's, and they have pretty good food. So we're gonna try out these tenderloin breasts as well. We're gonna cook them out in this oven over here. This is heat 425. All right, so this is the rice right here that we make, that we like over here, that we make. I don't know, I like the fresh, because you can add this to it, so it gives it a fresher taste than all that other crap they have in there. Yes, if I make it from scratch and I make it like a Spanish person, it's gonna come out awesome. But you know, I told you I can't cook for anything. All right, so that's why you're gonna get stuff like this and more reviews on the equipment and stuff like that. And what's cool about the induction cooktop, guys, if you know, you can put, you know, lay stuff all over it, so when stuff splatters or whatever the case, easy cleanup. Also, mine is a little dirty, so I don't want to show it to you right now because I'm waiting. I have a product that I want to do a review on of cleaning this, and I want to make sure this is dirty and put it up to the test. I don't want to do a review for you guys and it's a dainty review. So that's why, like, I got towels on it, but you know, I want to make a mess, obviously, and I want to, you know, get this thing so I can get a good review on the cleaning product that I'm going to get for this thing. But anyway, this is 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 cups of water, and that can. So, in a large skillet, combine rice, mix, and butter. Sauté over medium heat until the vermicelli, the rice, whatever is in here, is golden brown, stirring it frequently. All right, and it says 25 minutes for that. 25 minutes or until the internal temperature is 165. This is pretty much done, and then we're gonna stir water in here now. It says 2 cups of water. I put this over that medium heat. You're going to want to bring this to a boil, and with induction, you're going to want to raise it. I'm going to raise mine to like 7 or 8. Medium, because it goes to 9, but then there's that power boil. And 8 will bring it to a boil nice and quickly for me. At least with this rice, you just want to make sure it's mixed up, you know, really well. And then you just bring it to a boil. We cover it. We reduce it to a, you know, a low simmer. And then it's 20 minutes, and then that's it. Maybe I gotta go to 9. I'm just getting impatient. That was like 15 seconds, but I have a show I want to watch. Forgot, obviously, we got the exhaust, right? Turned on the exhaust. And yes, I know everybody says mine's close. It's because we have to raise the floor or whatever the case may be, and that's kind of what's up. But anyway, you're going to bring it to a boil, and that's it. And then we're going to lower it to a simmer. Set the timer on here. 16 minutes we'll do. And then we'll check it from there and see what's up. But the timer, you know, sets up like that. I mean, it's pretty good. It works pretty awesome. It has the child lock over here if you guys want to lock it as well. I did a full review on it. I'm just showing you guys if you guys didn't see that or whatever, and you're just seeing this for whatever reason. This is pretty much what's up and how it's going on with this, you know, with induction or induction cooking itself. All right, everyone. We got 1 minute left, so that's been 15 minutes. That's got 20 minutes, but there's no point of checking that because I don't know what the hell, because it's chicken. I mean, it's gonna check the inside temperature, but those usually taste pretty good though. The Trader Joe's, just saying. You know, I mean, their brand usually does taste good with stuff that they do. All right, that's what the alarm sounds like as well. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Sounds like a little, it's not that loud. I wish you could turn it louder. That would be cooler, because when you have the exhaust on, you know, you really can't hear it that much. You're better off setting another timer on another device, honestly. But let's come close over here so you guys can see. There we go. So it's been 16 minutes. It's supposed to, you know, pretty much dry out a little bit there. All right, guys. So that's it. That's pretty much what it looks like and what it's going to look like. Honestly, not gonna lie, yes, I probably should have taken it out at 14 minutes, 2 or 3 minutes before, and then I think it would have nailed it. I took it out at that 16-minute mark. It definitely needed like 2-3 minutes before this, and it would have been a little bit better. But it does, you know, it does firm up, obviously, as it dries or whatever, you know, as it's gonna dry over here. But usually I like it just a tiny bit firmer, like 2 or 3 more minutes would have been perfect. But this is really good rice, like we said. We always like this rice. Comes out the best, has the best flavor, just because you can add all the ingredients, where the other ones, when they pre-add it and then you just heat it up, it's no buenos. So this is also a review of the pan. This is that Duxtop pan that I did get off Amazon. I did a review on an unboxing of it, but look at this pan, guys. Nothing really sticks to it. I love cleaning these pans. I haven't had any rust either, because I bought that other brand. I think the name of it was Salt. That started to rust after probably 6 months. It started to rust. So I was not happy about that, but you know, what are you gonna do? All right, everyone. That's pretty much what the chicken looks like, what the inside looks like. It was just heating it up. You know, it should be cooked already chicken. It's not like I was cooking it, but that's what it looks like. It looks pretty good. I'm gonna go taste it upstairs and see what's up, and we'll be right back. All right, everyone. So had that chicken. It was okay. I don't know. Maybe I just need sauce to dip it in. I'm gonna tell you the truth. It was like whatever. The rice was awesome, even though it was a little over. But that rice, we love it. It still has an awesome flavor, like I said. But the pan came out awesome, so that's a good thing, right? The non-stick surface, without having to add any extras, you know, to have it non-stick is great, and it cleans so well. Don't even have to scrub it. You just use hot water and it comes right out. That's it for the review on like an update on you know, cooking on this. If you guys have it, if you're going to be cooking on it, what you can expect it to be cooking on it. You know, that rice is very common, so other people, you know, you would know how it is to cook that rice on a gas cooktop or whatever. So that's kind of how, you know, what's up here. But if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can support the channel by clicking on the affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube, which is really cool. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you check back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more products to review, doing updates on the products that I did review, so we know we're getting good value. And also helping my subscribers out on any questions that they have about the products that I did review. All right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. I am out. Glenn Velvet Reviews is out. Bye-bye.